Here we go, baby. Good morning. First one here today is Think Make Decisions. He beat you, Robert. He beat you. AMC's gonna continue the momentum. What's AMC at? $10? It's gonna break 10. It's at 10, yeah. So this was one that was way oversold in the 4 hour. There has to be a period of time where it's like, you know what, we're oversold. Look how it ties with the EMA, now it's above. So AMC could go to like 1050, maybe 11 this week. I don't know. So let's just see any news on this one, how it pans out. Tilray, Nokia. Take a look at GameStop really quick, guys. Ethereum, holy smokes. GameStop's another one that's ready to break above. We need to get back to the 180s, man. On GameStop. Any news for this? No. No news for this. Morning, Gilbert. GameStop, good morning. Tesla after the Saturday Night Live. Tesla is down. It's down. Morning, Jennifer. I'm gonna pull up Bitmart really. Shout out to whoever recommended Bitmart. I believe it was JL who recommended Bitmart. I love Bitmart. I love the aesthetics, the layout. It reminds me of Thinkorswim. Let's see. If you go to the movies this weekend, I suggest you go see Nobody Saw This Weekend and I liked it a lot. Let's go. Let's see. I haven't even gone to go see Mortal Kombat. Oh, it was not you. Might have been Jennifer. Let's see. What's going on, Victor? C3D. Look at this. So I don't like how it automatically assumes I want to use all these indicators, and I always have to go ahead and remove them. You guys know what my favorite indicator is. EMA, moving exponential. Set it to 13 because I just have 13. A popular one is 9. Um, 15 EMA, I believe. I'm the odd one. I think I'm the only one who uses 13. I do not know why. But I like looking at it on the 4 hour, and this is Ethereum. It's at 4140. Man, I was so wrong, guys. Way off on Ethereum. When did I say it was gonna pull back? Like at 28, even at 36. I was like, this has to come down. Oh no. So it reminds me of tests on the daily when it went to like 900. It's just gonna ride the EMA all the way up. Who knows? We could hit 5K. I don't know. Shiba too, man. I have it on here. It's up 189%. I think this one also dropped with Dogecoin. I think Tom Brady is going full on crypto on Twitter too, guys. You guys know the laser eyes on your profile pictures. I knew if I came by another month, who knows? Let's see what's trending on Twitter. $25 USD under technology is trending. What does that mean? Oh, they're talking about inflation. Back in my day, I could walk into the store with $25 and walk out with 6 porterhouse steaks, 2 chickens, a case of beer, 5 bottles of wine, 2 loaves of bread, and a gallon of milk. Can't do that today. Too many effing cameras. Wait a minute. Swinging the mosquitoes, man. Uh, $25 is trending and random. This means it's a good time to remind you that if you're reading this, you're valid and loved. Retweet to spread the love. $25 minimum wage. So I guess it's not for inflation. It's like I guess minimum wage. I think Chipotle did like 15 minimum wage, guys, this morning. I think I read. Let me see. And like 100K in like 3 months or something like that. Yeah, look, Chipotle increases wages, resulting in $15 per wage, average wage, and provides path to 6 figures compensation in 3 years. One of my favorite fast food places. CMG. Also, I think I read Alibaba, Mr. Jack Ma. They have earnings on Thursday. He was spotted in one of the factories, one of the headquarters, I believe. Where was he at? Where they catch you slipping, Mr. Ma? It's not on here, but the stock fell. So they're anticipating earnings on The 13th. 3 days, baby. And it's pre-market too. A lot of them are pre-market. I think Palantir as well has earnings pre-market tomorrow, after hours. I think it was Workhorse actually, WKHS, who had earnings today, pre-market. There we go, dropping on Workhorse. Anybody have some Palantir? Another P is Peloton. The deadly P's coming down 82. I think I had a dream on Peloton. I think I had a weird dream. I don't remember, but I don't know why this had brought me a weird feeling right now. All right, Tesla's coming down. We have some pretty big numbers this week. Retail numbers on Friday. We have the CPI on Wednesday. That one's going to be key, man. The CPI on Wednesday, ooh, if it comes in hot, I think they're expecting like 3.6% year over year. Last month was 2.6. Like, it is still net positive from its peak at Saturday Night Live. Yeah, Shiba. Dogecoin was the what? Dogecoin was really we talked about it. I think Elon gave us a warning. He tried to hint us that it might have been a buy the rumor, sell the news, and it was. But it's Dogecoin is holding 50 right now. Look, as I open it up, it's literally, according to Bitmart, at 50 flat. So that's crazy. I can't wait to get in on the dip too. Dogecoin's it's bound to run. By the way, Elon is funding a space mission. The server is busy. It's called Doge One. You guys hear about that? Yeah, too many stocks. Here we go. Our market opens in 45 seconds. Yeah, Doge is bound to rebound. That's gonna be one of those coins that no matter what, it's gonna have some random spikes here and there. Just pull up Tom Brady, because we always talk about Tom Brady here. Oh, he changed his picture 2 minutes ago. Oh, that's it. This is the top. This is what I was thinking, man. This morning I woke up. I'm like, Tom Brady's talking. There's a lot of influencers, a lot of crypto influencers, man. Market just opened. CCXI, we were talking about it. This is one we wanted. This one collapsed. Let's set an alert on this one. Let's see if people sell today too. Look at this one. It came from oh, Nasdaq is pulling back. Look at that weekly. Holy moly. I thought it got halted. Let's see. Tesla's dropping like a rock. Futures are dropping like a rock. More blood this week or what? So we're talking about this double bottom here at 13, around 13.4K on futures, and then we pretty much bounced off of that. So let's wait and see. Because oh my God, as of right now, we're bleeding, man. It's like the back of my left head is hurting with, I don't know what it is, the glasses or the headphones, I don't know. Michael Riley says personal price target on Ethereum raised from 4,000 to 5,000. I think it is going to 10,000. I also believe Doge just by all the way will go to $1 and then 26 billion. Whale may scalp but won't sell off. Yeah, Ethereum's not going to stop from here, man. It doesn't seem to be stopping. It's 41.38. Wow, futures are really ugly, man. What an opening. What a market open. 160s. All right, we should be bouncing here. Come on. Come on. How are the tech stocks? Apple, oof. Facebook, new low. Microsoft selling off aggressively. 1001. AMC at 1001. 1001, baby. 1001. Bring Tesla. Come on down. Oh, we have Twitter. I forgot we have Twitter. Are we red now, finally? Yeah, we're finally losing money, so that's good because we want Twitter under 50. Alrighty. So this is the key point here for Tesla. 650s. And if you zoom out here on the 4-hour, just looking at mid-April, you see a descending triangle. You see lower highs and lower lows, which is not good. We're under the EMA today. Today, if we do really continue to sell off, we could see 650s easily. $10, not a biggie. I've seen Tesla drop more. So futures just hitting low, by the way. Holy smokes, we're dropping hard. So let's wait for the bounce. Disco Inferno, yeah, that's what's going on right now. All tech stocks got downgraded today by Citi. Let's see what kind of downgrades we have today. Facebook is dropping. There we go. Citigroup downgrades Facebook to neutral, announces 320. Price target, it's at 312. So downgrades aren't the best thing. You know what? Stock also had a ton of downgrades. That is pretty much kind of flat today, trying to make up its mind. We're headed to new lows or bouncing here. CCXI. Talk about this one in tonight's video. Peloton, Microsoft. Oh my God, futures. We're still dropping, guys. Still pulling back. How's Coinbase? Yeah, Coin. When is their earnings? Oh, it's coming up too. Ouch. I have a feeling like the big whales, the big boys are selling off right now. There's that bounce. Actually, let me have that was in Florida, right? Let's see, Bloomberg. There's that bounce. Finally. Alrighty, let's just wait. Let's just wait before we hop in some Tesla. BP, what is that? Yeah, it's British Petroleum. We're rallying. There was this. Well, I didn't really read up on it. Oh, so what's oil a barrel right now? What's the price? This is May 4th. Yeah, everything's on sale. Oh, damn. Another leg down. Keeps on dropping. Yeah, it was a hack. Hack idles pipeline for third day as fuel supply concerns mount. $65.48. Oof. New low, new low, new low. Let's take a look at SPY really quick. Also pulling back. Holy moly. A new low is not a meme, man. Holy smokes. So let's look at the 4-hour. This is where we don't want to reach. We don't want to reach the 400 levels. So let's wait. I'm buying to CCXI. Yeah, I'm eyeing this one. This one was on my list since Friday. We wanted to swing trade this, so we would have been in the green right now. We would have bought. Look at that drop from 50 all the way down to 950s. And it's still pulling back. You have to watch the overall market. We are literally dropping still. Let's see. Heat map updated. No, we're not yet. Not yet. Tesla 655. What other altcoins are you guys holding, guys? ADA. Bitcoin tapped 59. Bitcoin has been struggling to break above 60. Ethereum Classic. Safe Moon is coming down. Shiba. CCXI is falling back still. What is going on? There we go. Gold, 1842. Yeah, gold's awesome. Moving on, let me see. Announce. Yeah, 1842 an ounce. Safe Moon, Mine Pirate, Risk Moon, Tacocat, the Taco Cat, ZEC, BTG, BTC, ETC, ETH, Matic. I've heard of that one. Any coin with the word safe is a scam. Safe Moon, Safe Coin. Wow, guys. I think the market is now looking a little oversold here at open. There's a coin called Safe Ape. Oh my. Oh, look at this headline under Tesla. Why is Shiba suddenly skyrocketing? I don't know why. Tell me, Thinkorswim. Tell me. Shiba skyrocketed 768% a 7-day period. Shiba claims to be nicknamed the Dogecoin killer. I don't think so. But I did say last week there has to be a quote unquote meme coin, meme crypto alongside Doge that has to at least compete with it. Just like it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think it's going to be Dogecoin and maybe Shiba. Shiba might be the runner up. So I think it's not a Dogecoin killer, but I think it's going to put on some competition. Alrighty, here we go. We're bouncing here or we're dropping? Let me know, Nasdaq. Let me know. What did you guys think about Saturday Night Live? But Rob started Safe Ape. I did not start Safe Ape. That is a rumor. That's a lie. What did you guys think of Saturday Night Live, man? Let me know, guys, because we got shut down. We were trying to stream it. We went on for 30 minutes, but YouTube said, nope, they pulled the plug, baby. They shut us down. I think it sucks. I slept, so I loved it. And it was very meh. Yeah, I got clapped on Saturday Night Live. They wrecked us. We got like 3 copyrights. It was worth it though. It was hyped. It was crazy. I think it's just hilarious how an influential person like Elon can just do that, you know? I like it. If he makes himself very reliable, I guess you can say. Not reliable, that's the wrong word. Relatable, I'm sorry. Relatable is the word I was looking for, not reliable. They shut down all the streamers. Yeah, you can't stream that, you know? It's copyrighted stuff. I thought it was very hilarious. Which one was your favorite? I'm torn in between the first one, the Gen Z Hospital, and the Wario. The most badass one was the space one, the Chad. The Mars mission with Chad. I think that one was all pretty good too. All right, here's the bounce, baby. We're coming back to life. 655, but again, like other days, these bounces, are they just going to be sympathy plays, sympathy little bounces, and then a new low? Or is this the bottom here for today and we're going to bounce? So we're so close to 650s. Tesla under 650s is very, very spooky to me. And this is coming from someone who has no position. Wario is great. I like the Wario one. And said it was the international users only. Elon tweeted an international link for international for viewers. Let's take a look at other stocks really quick. Roku coming down. Oh my gosh, Coinbase is dropping. Ugly sell-off. Poor Kathy, man. And Kathy about 28 million more in Alibaba. Rival JD. Haven't looked into this. Usually I'm more familiar on the bigger ones like Roku. I know they have some Peloton. Of course. Tesla, one of the big ones. T-Doc is another one. T-Doc. How are they doing today? They're down. Their ETF is down. She'll double down, yeah. Neo also pulling back 35 bucks. That is the Tesla effect. CCXI price targets are between $17 and $101 currently at 1007. Yeah, I have my 1070s. I have my alerts on CCXI. I'll cover this stock tonight. The video tonight. Look at that drop. Holy smokes. It's also on Binance now. By the way, Binance, I believe they're having a slight issues. You're not able to withdraw your money on Binance. Let's confirm that. The Dow hits record high. Man. Dow is doing the opposite. S&P 5 down. NDX. Tag is taking the biggest hit today. Yeah, that was fixed before opening bell. Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, because I think I read that before opening bell. There we go. I think the Bloomberg terminal just put Tom Brady has laser eyes. Is this the top? Tom Brady is now a financial advisor. What can he not do, man? Ralph Lauren launches new partnership with Major League Baseball. Ticker symbol RL. Too boring for me. Tesla 651. Oh my gosh. Tesla is not. Look at this, guys. Tesla's not following NASDAQ. Usually it'll be the opposite. NASDAQ will be the one leading the way down, and Tesla would be like a couple seconds behind. But today, that is not the case. It seems to me people are panicking on Tesla. It's getting so close to 650s. So close. I think last time, guys, we literally bounced at 650 flat. Yeah, look. 650 to the point. Let's pull up to level 2. AMC good to buy? I don't know. I can't answer that. That's all up to you, buddy. That is all up to you. Lumber is still ripping. What's lumber at? Yeah, this kaяк's under 650. I do not know where it's going. This was our price target, 650s, and now we're almost here again. So let's be slightly patient. We've been waiting for this moment for like what, 2 weeks? It's bouncing. UAL, pop and drop. Airlines, 55 and now back down to 54. How's other airlines? Boeing, Southwest, Delta? Similar. Delta similar. It's gonna sit at 650.01, you know it. Maybe, maybe. No, I'm still waiting for CCXI to do something. It's up 5% today. Here for my daily dislike. What a loser. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure to destroy the like button. Let's outnumber the haters. That's what I'm thinking. Stacks a lot. Might just be a little sympathy bounce for more downside. So I'm still waiting. Let's see Tesla. Again, testing EMA. Let's wait. Oh man, what a Monday. What a start. And down she goes again. Best community here, baby. Another one headed to the 50s, bouncing off of there is GameStop 155. This is not pretty for Tesla, guys. Come on, Nasdaq. Do something. Looks like we're holding so far, so good. Hey, is there any way to see the limit orders for Doge? I'm trying to find support levels like you do on stocks. Good question. I'm using a new platform called Bitmart. Let me pull this up really quick. It just gives me these vibes of Thinkorswim. So that's how I'm sticking with it. No other software kind of or charting. If there is one that can compete with this or is alike this one, let me know. So this is like the times and sales, right? If I'm not mistaken. This is like this tab here on the right hand side for Thinkorswim where you're able to see the orders come in, buys and sells. You have a list here. This is my favorite, the top ones I'm watching right now. Or is this the trades right here, the TNS? It might be the same thing. Because you could also order them here, look. I would have both. So Bitmart is free. You could just put in your email, open up an account, and you're good to go. Elongate, it says something about Elongate on here too. Elongate's another one I have to watch. Because if there ever is a scandal, I have a feeling that that coin's gonna rocket up. That's like a lottery play, like a lottery ticket, the way I see it. Full send. Are these the Nelk boys? Full send? Look, see, full send. That's pretty interesting. Oh yeah, because Elon tweeted, if I ever get in a scandal, call it Elongate. Because of the Watergate scandal that happened with Richard Nixon in the 70s, 19 like 73 or something like that. He was gonna get like he was true look. Some I forgot what happened with Watergate. I think he was looking to get reelected, and they broke into like the hotel or whatever, the place that the Watergate residential area. I think they succeeded the first time. They were taping the place there, and the second time they got caught, and Richard Nixon was like, "I never did anything with that. That's not me, baby." And like later on, he got caught, and he he was impeached. They took his ass down. Not actually, no, he resigned before he got impeached. They took his ass down. He took himself down. He's like, "I'm out." Oh, and Forrest Gump. I forgot it was in Forrest Gump. When Forrest Gump is in the other side of the hotel and he's looking around and he sees the people breaking in, that's Watergate. So if you did not know, there was this one scene in Forrest Gump. There it is. Oh my God, 649. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Holy smokes. We did not crash under like I expected. So, oh wait, there it is, 648. History with Ralph. History is pretty interesting. I always liked it, but it's just like the fact that I did not like is you have to. There's so many names, so many dates to remember. There's a lot of things. Even just like with stocks, you have to remember so many dates, so many numbers. You always get mixed up and confused. Forrest Gump was there and reported it. Yeah, yeah, right. I think he was the one calling. Now I need to go look that up because it's gonna bother me if I don't know. Oh, I don't know why. I have a feeling I have to buy here, guys. All right, if it comes down to new low, I'm buying. Or do I get clapped? Let's see. Catch that knife. And he didn't even have to authorize the burglary. He was going to win the election. I did not know that. I guess he was just paranoid, thinking he wasn't going to win. Oh, it's bouncing now. Don't tell me this was the bottom, man. That would be such a disappointment. Because notice how with every consistent drop we have, that's a pretty steep drop, there's a bounce. Might not come exactly that morning, but towards the end of the day, maybe. Except this day. Apart from a small bounce from like 667 to 680s, that's a pretty decent bounce, but there's always a rebound. And the fact that we broke under 650s, I think it's going to rebound to like maybe 660s, 670s. But from now, we're still looking weak. Let's give it 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Doge under 50 cents. Yeah, 48. That's what I'm showing here. One of the reasons we fell also on Doge was because of the CoinDesk founder. He said, "Time's up, baby," and he's shorting, so he's coming. It's coming down. He got a lot of heat for that. I gave it 4 minutes and 20 seconds. No, it's kind of bouncing here already. Maybe 650s. So usually it comes back up to where the initially flew off. In this case, it's around 650, 651. So let's wait and see. Let's remove this really quick. GameStop, 153. So Doge is like Tesla right now, man. I feel like a lot of stuff is battling the 50s. GameStop is at 155, close to 150s. Tesla is at 650s. Doge is at 50s, battling the 50-cent mark. That's interesting, eh? There it is. Let's see, what is Ethereum at? 4116 Ethereum. Is anyone actually buying Ethereum here at these prices? Oh man, it's riding that EMA so beautifully. Did you see Kathy was saying commodities about they've been ripping. These commodities have been going up. 260 for coin. Yeah, we were close to 250s. Yeah, I think we hit 250s. Yeah, 250. Even Coinbase is struggling here near the half dollar marks. 250s. Another loser here from my daily downvote. Thanks for the view. 649. Yeah, had to come down, baby. Market meltdown. Well, we're trying to balance here. Let's see the heat map. Fairly mixed, fairly mixed, of course. The Home Depot and some of these safe stocks are green. Yeah, for Dogecoin, there's several big whales. There's a couple. You got the 26 billion Walter and plus several others. Does anyone know exactly how many there are? I know there's a couple. I forgot what I read. Living their head rent free, baby. All right, here it goes. Again, what have we seen? Oh, another leg down, man. Another leg down. Another rejection at EMA. Wow. Yeah, Dow's moving up, but Nasdaq skids 1.4%. True that, true that. Nadipa lives in the 401k. I don't think Elon Musk tanked the market with Saturday Night Live. No, I don't think so. All right, guys, I think I might just start. We've been waiting for this moment. The lowest I think Tesla can drop is like 620s. But that is after a bounce. So let's wait. Yeah, wait for that Wednesday CPI number. Comes out 8:30 EST, 5:30 Pacific, so bright and early, right before the markets. That number's obviously going to come in hot, and that's going to put Mr. Jerome Powell, Mr. Money Printer, on the spot again. There we go, a new low. Holy smokes. Dogecoin is at 0.48, so right around 50 cents. Who here has a position in Tesla? Puts, maybe? Calls? Shares? Let me hear it. Tesla's going all the way down to $69, 420. I'll bet the farmer if that happens. I'll go all in on Tesla. Yeah, we hit $69. It'll never happen. Literally, that's that Gordon Johnson bear, Tesla bear. That's his price target. I think it's $67, which is completely ridiculous. Let me see. Gordon Johnson. Tesla price target. It comes up on the Google. 67, yes. $67. Can you believe that? All right, this might be the bounce. You're so close to his price target too. Yeah, the chip shortage too. I think not even just Tesla, every car manufacturer. I know PS5s also are very limited. The chip shortage is real, man. Yeah, this is not looking good. Nasdaq wants a new low. It's not a meme. Dogecoin 48.90 still. Bought Tesla shares this morning at 651. There we go. Chandra, good morning. The VIX is up. Absolutely, the VIX is going to creep up. It's up 5% today. I know we were at 21 the other day, too. That fear index, they like to call it. Nasdaq is dropping, just waiting on S&P. Yeah, the SPY isn't really down. Like, Nasdaq is the one taking the blow today. Dow Jones is the winner. The Dow's the winner. New highs, all-time highs. 35. Man, what a recovery. What a roar it's been. You guys remember this? We were at 29K. Boom, we sank to 18K. March, April. That was nuts. Look at that recovery. Who would have known that this was going to recover this fast, this quick? I think this is the shortest bear market in history, if I'm not mistaken. That was nuts. Jimmy getting hammered. 151. How's AMC? Under 10 again. 974. As long as we're holding above the blue line on AMC, which is 950s, I think you guys are in safe territory. But there's still a long trading day, and the market is not on our side right now. A new low on Nasdaq. That was a serious recovery. Oh man, tell me about it. Let's check Twitter. There we go, Gary Black. Again, huge Tesla bull. He's always giving great insights on Tesla. Important Tesla technical support. He doesn't really do technicals. These guys are way more fundamentals. It's like a mutual fund. Like you go to Fidelity, you try to present technicals, they'll laugh you out of the door. He says important Tesla technical support is 150 DMA at 649. So he's right around 650s. So no surprise. So 650s is a huge support level for Tesla. Critical level too. So it hits 645 and we're back above at the same level, 649. Someone said, what is this software called? The Bloomberg terminal. Someone said, "Hi Gary, is this a very risky if it breaks the long-term support?" And someone replied, 600 is more concerning. I'd say around 620s is where we can collapse under if Tesla does break 650s. So this is assuming it still holds the uptrend because it'll get real ugly if it doesn't. 620s is the lowest I'll go on this. This trend line has been honored, man. We drew this trend line back in August of last year. And look how much it's honored it. We drew it here, right here. And look, it's honored it here, November. And then we have it bouncing right off of here in March. And then higher lows ever since then. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Looks like we're recovering now. So I think this might have been the bottom for today. Let's set an alert just in case it cracks in the next hour and we're not live. Because we go live 1 hour every day at market open. By the way, you guys remember in June I said I think power hour streams might come to an end. That is in June, so we're almost there, man. Time has flown. Where has time gone? But morning live stream should not be an issue. Morning live stream should not be an issue. Or maybe we can do night streams. Maybe. There it is. The bounce towards 655 EMA on the 5 is coming. Market reversal, maybe. I think it's coming. This might have been the low. Just loaded up 2 more shares. Brian on Tesla? Or what stock? What stock? Yeah, Power Hour. It'll be literally impossible for me to stream Power Hour. Oh, you bought 2 more shares on GameStop. We're already at 152. That's what I'm thinking, JL. Crypto night streams. 'Cause obviously the market is closed at night for stonks. Ethereum 10K by August. Man, there's already some price targets for 10.5K for Ethereum by the end of the year. Sickness with Godpill. I don't even think Godpill does market close streams anymore. I haven't seen him live lately. The one and only Godpill. CCXI 11. Peloton 85. Yeah, Ethereum went up 2K this past month. I remember we're talking about it breaking 3K not even so long ago. Now it's exactly, I'll give you the price. 4109. Bitcoin has been struggling, man. Does anybody here swing trade Bitcoin? Four hour. See, I don't understand why it removes my indicators. Why does it do this? That's why I don't like TradingView. They pull their charts from, look, TradingView. This was like that one drop we had on fraud that one night. The money laundering issues. Look at that Ethereum rally. Oh my gosh. So we were at 2000, guys. Like on April 25, late April. So this can continue to stretch. It's been riding that EMA beautifully. We have not sunk under EMA since April 25th on Ethereum. Look how beautiful it's honored that line. So maybe 5,000 is not crazy by the end of this month. It's not. I don't think it's crazy. I think it's very, very possible. You guys think there will be big three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA? Out of the two, which one do you guys favor more, Bitcoin or Ethereum? Or Shiba? Oh my gosh. Bitcoin, a Litecoin. Interesting. Bitcoin is expensive. Disregarding price, I favor more Ethereum, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Binance is trending on Twitter under cryptocurrencies. Also trending is Shiba. Cyber attack is trending. Reversing Trump is trending. Lost in translation. All right, SafeMoon is a little butthurt, I guess. Not listing coin with 2 million holders and marking their stats with warning while you are listing other coins and making their stats with verification. This is a clear manipulation. Binance is using their power for helping one coin and preventing one other from succeeding. So Binance is listing Internet Computer ICP, and SafeMoon people are pissed. Ethereum needs to dump. We're waiting for a pullback. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. But looking at it right now, it's not crazy, man. 5K. It's not. It's not. Litecoin. I like Litecoin better. I think we have one alert for Alibaba under 200, if I'm not mistaken. It's right at 211 actually. Wow, we're coming down. So if this cracks 211 on earnings and it comes down to 200, that's a good buy for me. That's what I'm scoping out. So I have a couple alerts. Let's wait and see. Some of the old Facebook not looking good. Some of these other tech stocks are kind of stabilizing. Tesla 652 back above 650s. So let's wait and see. Everyone has laser eyes on Twitter now. Laser eyes signal intent to make Bitcoin an instrument of economic empowerment. There's that bounce 654. On the 5-minute, we're honoring the EMA. AMC just popped over. SMA coming again. Yeah, 990. So I think 10 above 10 close is pretty realistic. We've been watching a 10 close for AMC. We haven't really seen that, but now I think today the 10 close is real. I think even last Friday we closed above 10. Oh no, actually no. There was one day I think it did. GameStop also pushing up. So I think some of these stocks actually found the bottom of the day. Now it is time to bounce and reverse. Is FAMI worth the day trade off? FAMI? Oh, this I don't know. I don't know this stock. First of all, it's a penny. I don't like the pennies. Mushroom song. I wouldn't. I like the fact that it's coming down, a potential dead cat, but I don't like the price. I don't like the momentum either. The one I'm looking for is CCXI. This was kind of stuck here at 11. It's indecisive. I don't know who Matt Kaiser is. Let me see Matt Kaiser. He has a podcast called The Orange Pill. The Orange Pill. The Bitcoin Pill. New York City to give away tickets or other incentives to get the vaccine. Everyone who dumped Dogecoin below 50 cents because they didn't like the SNL skits are scrambling to buy it back now. It's funny. I don't use Fidelity. They might be struggling this morning. Weren't they having issues last week or was that E-Trade? I think that was E-Trade, right? So now we wait. Coinbase is taking off again. Wow. What a V recovery. Is there any news on this or what? This is like a news rally right here. I don't see anything on Think or Swim. That's such a weird bounce. I know it has earnings coming up, but this is just looking at off technicals. That's such a weird recovery. You would expect like some news to come out. What a red or green move. 272. Look at that. There's that FOMO. That's interesting. Ethereum 4.1 still. Doge 47. So if we do leave and end the stream and Tesla, from the looks of it, it's still pulling back. Again, you have to see, is this a sympathy bounce? That's honestly, if we're gonna be playing that, that's pretty much what we're hoping for. But if it does come down under 650s or the new low, 645, I will be buying. So let's see if that happens in the next 5 minutes or so. ETH. Major expected gainers, losers on the NYSE Nasdaq, 40.1% red versus Nasdaq 62 blue chips. Yeah, the blue chips Dow's holding. Actually just hit new all-time highs. Nasdaq is the one taking the blow today. Palantir is taking a nosedive. Another Wall Street Bets meme stock. Yeah, Palantir had earnings. No, I'm sorry. Palantir has earnings coming up. Workhorse is the one that had earnings today. And this stock is dead. There is no bounce here. It's flying off a cliff. Mm. Oh, I didn't see that message. I should drop out of college. That you could stream all. I should drop out again. That would be the second time. And this time I'm actually not doing bad. Third time's the charm. Oh my gosh. Drop out, go back again, and then do it again. All right, we're pulling on back once again. Interesting. Oof. 648. Yeah, Roblox has earnings this week too. There's a couple other stocks that have earnings that we're going to be covering. $25 investment now worth 400 plus. Wow. Congrats on that one. Shiba, baby. We're getting rid through the last batch of earnings. The last couple of them. Roblox is one of them. I think Sundial, if I'm not mistaken, has earnings this week too that I saw. Good old Sundial. Do you have earnings this week? Yes, sir. Coming up. I think Tilray too. No, Tilray already had earnings. Aurora, I think. ACB. Oh, yeah, Aurora. That's a nasty drop in the futures. The market continues to sell off, like we said. Is this a sympathy bounce or is this the bottom? It looks like it's not. Tech shares weigh on major indexes. Sundial and Tilray merge. No, it's not Sundial. It's Tilray and what's the other one that merged? APHA, right? Aphria, something like that. No, Sundial's on its own. But they did go through. That merger did go through. I've been meaning to say something about that, Ralph. I was absolutely terrible in school. Failed sixth grade through senior year in high school. Scared me badly, so I didn't never went to college. Now at 43, I'm back in school, college with the 3.75 GPA. I'm glad I'm going back. There we go. Sometimes it's just that phase in your life. Like you just have to go out and do something else, learn more about yourself, make some mistakes and know what you really want to do, what your strengths are, your weaknesses are, and then you could go back. And I'm going to community, man, because when I first applied straight out of high school, I got rejected by all the four colleges that I applied to, all four. And I, honestly, going in applying, I thought easy. I'm gonna get into at least maybe three. Oh, you don't know how much of a heartbreak it was. I still remember like getting rejection after rejection and thinking, wow, like, because I did well through high school all the way to like junior year. Junior year is when I really started slacking off. I still passed my classes though, so I still thought that I had it in the bag. Like I did not get F's. I thought I had it in the bag. I'm like easy, and I was like, wow, I got clapped, I got wrecked. But everything happens for a reason, man. I believe that everything happens for a reason. So, and like I still have those letters. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna save these because one day I'm gonna look back. I'm gonna be like, this didn't define me, as a person. No grade is gonna define me. So I'm a community right now. Look at all the millennials with the degrees they have massive debt on. Even one of my friends from high school, and they've already graduated. We graduated in 2016, so it's been 5 years. These guys have their, I think one of them has their bachelor's, and he tweeted the other day, "I can't find a job," and I thought like, wow, And he has the degree I want go for marketing, and he can't find a job. I thought to myself, man, there's one thing to be book smart and like another one to actually go out and make mistakes and lose your money, get hurt, get cut up on the way. I think that's way more valuable than like a paper. That's just the way I think. But at the end of the day, the paper, the degree is gonna be like it's gonna back you up. It makes you more credible. One day when I'm the CEO of the VPF, you can look back and laugh at those letters. Maybe one day, man. Who knows? A couple years from 5 years from now is a long time. Well, maybe Ben, maybe Ben. Nilo and Tesla. Woo! Let's buy this baby. Let's buy this sucker. Damn, it's bouncing already. What I learned in college, you can teach technical knowledge, but you cannot teach intelligence. Exactly. Uh, you're smarter than 99% of the population. I have a lot to learn, man. I'm not the smartest one out there. But there's technicals like you could open up an Excel, you could put technicals on a chart in this case, uh, like doing math and stuff. But there's other things that I think are way more valuable. Being able to sell people, being persuasive, being good with people. I think that's way more valuable because you can't necessarily teach it. It takes more. And I think it's something you're born with. Enthusiasm. I think that's way more valuable. Because you could teach these technical stuff, but I don't think you could teach enthusiasm. The vision, all of that, teamwork skills, public speaking skills. I think are also important. I took a public speaking class last fall. Oh my gosh, you don't understand like how horrible other people did. Oh, it was so cringy. It was so painful to watch these people. It's like, I'm like, damn. I felt bad, but it is what it is. Everyone starts somewhere. Look, I tested for the five. I think it'll hit one more low today. I think your opinion. Let's look at the 5 minutes. So we've been testing. Look how clearly it got rejected at 654. It's at 651 right now. But we're bouncing again, man. That fast. So yeah, I don't know if this is the bottom of today. Let's see. Shiba is still trending. What's Ethereum at? Ethereum is at 4.1 still. It's 5 p.m. somewhere. Oh, I think we're gonna end it here, guys. Let's just wait and see what happens. Usually when the market is like this at market open and we end the stream, there usually is one more or two leg down, another pullback. So let's wait and see. I'm gonna be patient. Ralph just swing trade Tesla today. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, can I size in and swing trade it, or if I size in, is it gonna rebound before the market closes, taking profits, whatever? And then I'll scalp it short. I think it's gonna be down considerably further. You think it's still gonna drop? And from the looks of it, it's pretty close to the lows. So let's wait and see. I mean, the lowest I think this can drop is again 626.30 level. So that's not a clap of too bad of a clap if it does drop. Tesla double bottom slightly, yes, at 645. With that being said, I guess we're gonna end it here. Tesla at 649, GameStop at 151. How's AMC? Above 10 still? And it's slowly getting there, 986. So let's wait and see. Ethereum is at 4.1 and Dogecoin is at 49. So still battling around 50. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. I will see you guys later on for Power Hour.